Good morning students. In last videos we have started business cycles and we have completed what about the characteristics also, what about the meaning also, and phases we have started in before videos, and today we are going to discuss about the last phase of business cycle, that is we can call as pro, is also called depression. So world countries they face this type of situation in 1930s. Main reasons are differ, but many countries in the world they are experienced in the 1930s, that is we can call it as depression. Then what type of characteristics will be having any phase, then it is we can call as depression. So what are the main characteristics or features will be having by depression or pro? So for first one, mainly we are showing as a growth rate becomes negative.
Start.
So growth rate becomes negative. Negative is nothing, positive is nothing but country is developing. But growth rate becomes negative is nothing but country will be facing lot of problems. Next, second one we are saying as a national income and expenditure. National income, expenditure rapidly decrease. These two are decreased. Expenditure on capital goods as well as consumer goods, these two are decreased, and national income is also decreased. But now, for example, now we are seeing one situation in the world countries. Maybe this will be continued at a certain period of time. This fluctuation we are seeing certain period of time. Then world countries are there having one fear. Again we are facing same depression in the world countries, not only in India. World countries also maybe will be having chance to seeing of depression. Reasons are differ. But what type of situations we are seeing in that stage of depression, now we are discussed. So growth rate becomes negative, national income and expenditure is also decreased, and demand for goods and services is also decreased. Demand for goods as well as service, these two are fallen. When the demand for goods and services is decreased, automatically we are seeing the investment of the producers, automatically it will be declined. Main reasons are, if not having any demand for goods and services, then producers they will get a loss. Sometimes they will shut down their firms. Shut down the companies or firms or industries. Shut down the industries. Shut down the industries is nothing but mainly we are seeing many people are they lost their job. So job cuts are we are seeing, means unemployment is increases. Unemployment is increases, then automatically people's their disposable income also decreased. Disposable income is nothing but consumption plus income. Consumption plus savings is we can call as disposable income. These two are decline. Disposable income decline, and demand for credit also decline. Demand for credit, banks are they are ready to give the credits to the people in the society, but these people are they are not, means industrial people or firm people are they are not ready to take the bank credit also. So then automatically demand for credit will be decreases. Next, at the same time here we are seeing capital and consumer goods. Capital and consumer, especially consumer durable goods demand will be, demand is decreases. So even capital goods, in the production activity only mainly we are using capital goods. When the capital goods demand will be decreases, automatically we are seeing the shutdown of the industries in the society, and some of the people are they lost their jobs because without continuing of their production activity, then producer they cannot continue their employees also, so unemployment is rises. And at the same time consumers, once they are seeing what about the expenditure on durable goods, so automatically they are not having income, then it will be decrease the consumer durable goods demand also. So on the basis of these are all we are saying total economic system it will be going to the down. So economic system completely it will be going to the down. This situation we can called as depression. So depression is nothing but just like economic activities are completely making silence, not having any activities in the society, that is we can called as depression in simple manner. These type of situations already we are experienced in the world countries are experienced in 1930s. Even present situation, if it will be continued, maybe we'll be having chance to repeat the same situation in this years also. Then what type of characteristics will be having to the depression? If these are all will be seen in the society, then compulsory we are facing next stages, that is depression only in the society. So growth rate already we are seeing decline. National income and expenditure is also decreased. Demand for goods and services is also decreased. When the consumers they are having income, then only demand for goods will be having. Then demand is not there, then producers they are try to shut down their industries to controlling of the loss and seeing unemployment, because production is not there, unemployment automatically we are seeing. Disposable income means consumption and savings of the people is also lost, and demand for credit is giving by the banks, but people they are not ready to take the credit in the society. And these consumer durable goods, capital goods, these are all goods demand will be decreases. Total economic system we are seeing it will be going to the bottom level, not to top level. It will be going to the bottom level is we can call as depression. Then these four phases will be having each and every business cycle, but maybe reasons are differ from one business cycle to another business cycle. Situations are differ from one to another one, but maximum characteristics are we are seeing same type of characteristics only will be having by all business cycle. Then one we are going to the bottom situation, then how it will be pick up the economic activities, that is we can call as recovery. So now we are going to discuss about the recovery. So when we are seeing depression in the society, then it is not continued up to long period of time, because we cannot control our consumption, we cannot control the production over a period of time. So that's why recovery is must ensured. For taking of the recovery or seeing of the recovery, government they are only taking the good steps to controlling of the business cycle and providing the and starting of the recovery of the economic system. So then what type of characteristics will be having to the recovery? So ends of pessimism. Pessimism is nothing but already we know that. Then and it will be giving the beginning of the optimism. So we are before that already we are habituated for the some situations. We are not continued, that is over a long period we cannot continue. If we are continue is nothing but everything is collapse. So we are having some optimism to beginning of the economic activities. So then it will be start the reverse the process of production. Reverse the process of production. When the reverse will be start, means for example business cycle means we are seeing like this waves of the water. So it will be start here in down situation, depression. So this is we can call as pessimism. In this situation will be habituated by the people. When they are change their pessimism into the optimism, then little bit will be having chance to increasing the production activities of the society. Then we are seeing the pervasive unemployment. Pervasive unemployment is nothing but here people unemployment will be spread in the society. Already we know that. Here those who are ready to work at a prevailing wage rate in the society, they are we can call as employed. But here production activity people are they are paying less than prevailing wage rate is we can call as perceived unemployment. This type of spread unemployment will be decreased through accepting of less wages of the workers and employment in the society. Then what is the use to accept less wages or less income or less salary by the employees? Because before that they are completely unemployed. If now they are getting something, before that they are not getting anything, but now they are getting something, income. So that's why they are accepting to do the job in the society. When they are accepting low wages and low salaries, then producers, their cost of production is decreased. Then they are ready to increase the investment, because cost of production is decreased. Then lower cost we are seeing, lower cost of production, lower cost we are seeing in the production activity. Then we'll be having chance to little bit of income by the producers. So that's why they are increase the investment in the production activity, and banks credit also increase in the society for expanding of the credit purpose. And when the production is started, automatically employment is little bit increased. So employment is increased. Then aggregate demand is also increased. Not more level, but a little bit of aggregate demand is also increases. So these will be increases is nothing but compared to before that, now prices are little bit increases. Little bit prices of goods and services increases. Automatically we are seeing when these are all will be having, investment is also increased. Spreading of more investment in the society we are seeing in this stage. So in throw situation, everything economic system just like collapse, we are seeing depression stage, but it is not a continued a certain period of time or long period of time. Then we'll be having chance to recovery of the economic system. When it will be start the recovery of the economic system means when we are ends the pessimism, what will be having internally discouragement. We have to give the end to the discouragement and giving encouragement to the development of the country and ourselves. Then it will be give the first step of recovery to the economic system. Then recovery will be start from reverse stage, not a down stage. Reverse stage will start, and when the reverse stage will start, already before that we are seeing the spread of the unemployment in the society. Here those who are interested to do the job at a prevailing wage rate, less than prevailing wage rate, here people are accepting for getting of jobs. Then it leads to wages and salaries will be decreased. Cost of production will be decreased. So lower cost will be seen by the producers in the economic system. Then automatically they are trying to increase the investment, and bank also they are providing and giving some offers through lower interest rate. They are spreading and expand their activities for providing of the investment to the all the industrial sector and agriculture sector and service sector for the development of the country. And when they are start the production activity, automatically little bit employment will be increased. People they are receiving income is leads to total demand for goods and services is also rises, and process all when they are started then process of the economic activities little bit will be increases. Then again it will be encourage the remaining producers to increasing of the investment in the society. It is not, we are not saying as a large level will be having. Recovery will start from slowly, it will be moving from the upwards. But after starting of the recovery, we are not seeing immediately expansion stage and peak stage, again contraction. Based on the situations only, we are seeing these type of situations. If not, we are not seeing any calamities or any conditions in the society, then economic activities are going like a trend. Steady growth rate will be increases we are seeing in the society. So without seeing of any fluctuations, then economic system will be going like these cutting lines, that is trend, growth rate of the economy. If we are seeing any fluctuations, either this type of now what we are seeing in the corona situation like that, or otherwise wars, or will be having any disturbances between the countries in the world, that is also these type of situations will be seen in the society, then we are seeing these type of fluctuations. Otherwise, growth line is always we are seeing as a trend line only. Okay students, thank you. If you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends and give like also. Thank you.